Okay, folks, here's how you calculate your tip and bill total at a restaurant if you don't have your cell phone handy, and you do happen to have a 55-year-old mechanical calculator in your pocket. As you can see, there are two dials on top of the device. This one here is your accumulator, it's your total. The white dial here counts how many operations you've done, so how many times you've turned the crank. Over here is where you input the numbers you'll be adding, or multiplying, or dividing. So let's say I have a bill for $31.74. So 3174. Now, if your waiter's pretty good, but not great, a 15% tip is usually done, right? So we need to figure out what a 15% tip is. To do that, we need to start with 5%. So let's multiply this number times 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we need to add 10% to that, so the total is 15%. Now, the quick way to do this, I mean, I could turn the handle 10 more times, but that's a pain in the butt. So if we lift this knurled dial here and turn it over one spot, we can multiply by 10. It's a shortcut. So turn the crank once. Okay, now as you can see on our count, our count operations counter, we have 15 for 15%. And notice how I've put this little metal pip over here to indicate that this is where the decimal point is. So we've got two numbers after the decimal point. Over here, we have cents, 74 cents, so that's 2 more decimal points. So we add those up and move this little metal pip over that many. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal points. So you can see the numbers here. It says 15% of our bill is $4.76. Sounds about right to me. But what's our total? I mean, we can write that in, but then do we have to add the numbers in our head? No way! So lift the knurled knob one more time and turn it over. Another position. That way we're going to multiply by 100. So basically 1.15 times your bill total. Rotate the handle once. Okay, now our counter here says 1.15. Remember, our bill was $31.74. Now our total is $36.50 with a tiny little gas station tenth of a cent added on. Ta-da!